Ford Edge backup camera issue. So the backup camera didn't show. So basically you need to remove the tailgate cover. It has got 4 screws with the flips on the sides. Goes to the sides, right there. 2 here. When you take that, you grab the 3/8 along with the extension and number 11 deep. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you take them off, pinch this clip, one here and one the other one, and then you're gonna take the whole panel off along with the camera. So before that, you need to disconnect the camera from here and here, and push the wire through that. And the camera comes like that. This is the part number. You can get it from Amazon or eBay, very cheap. If you want to get it from the dealer, that's around somewhere $300-400. But here you can get it from $30-something. And when you take that whole thing off, there is a plastic clip behind it. I already replaced it. There is a plastic clip behind it, behind the whole thing. So you pinch that clip, take off the camera, and since when you take off the camera, you disconnect it and put the new one back in there. That's kind of like very easy job. So the camera was not working, and it was showing the camera is not available. But let me show you, we already replaced it and it's working perfect. So if you come over here and start the car, before we replace the camera, when you put it in the reverse, it used to say backup camera not available. It's not working, but right now, look, put it and everything is working perfect. So all you need to do to replace the camera, most of the cases, and you should be fine. There is nothing tricky about that. Like I said, this panel needs to come off. The camera here, it's snapped in from the inside. You need to disconnect the whole panel, which I mentioned, from here and then from there. And after that, when you take the whole panel off, you bring it here and snap that camera out and disconnect the connector, and you're gonna put the new one. Again, I'm gonna put that part number and everything. You can get it. In most cases, Ford Edge, Ford Escape, Explorer, and the Ford Fusion, they are about the same, but check, make sure it's gonna fit your vehicle. And that was all about it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.